Well, we're back in the purple tier, and that means, for starters, school campuses that have not yet reopened for in-person instruction will have to continue offering distance learning until infection rates improve. For months, our members have been telling us about the challenges their employees are having working from home, especially while their kids of all ages are learning from home. So, with a nod to Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, ABL's favorite stretch, psychiatrist Mark Goulston, MD, provides us with a silver lining to the pandemic's purple time. Behaviors those working from home can share with their kids who are learning from home. Hi, I'm Amy Grant of the ABL organization, and here are Dr. Mark's 7 habits of superbly raised children. 1. Feel frustrated and or disappointed without getting overly angry. 2. Keep trying something hard instead of quitting. 3. Stay focused on something important. 4. Cheerfully do something you don't want to do. And 5. Focus on the positive of the situation instead of the negative. 6. Smile about something. And 7. Do something. 4. Thank, congratulate, or apologize to someone, thinking, how will this help them to be successful and happy? Mark also suggests that the kids display the opposite of these habits, including throwing tantrums when they feel frustrated or disappointed, quitting as soon as something becomes too hard, or getting distracted easily instead of staying focused on what's important, are certain to make their parents miserable, if not themselves. And best of all, Mark has 6 recommendations for making these 7 habits work, based on the results of a number of families who've reported on their valuable results. So here's how to make the 7 habits work for your entire family. First, write down each of the 7 habits on 7 separate pieces of folded paper. Second, each day one family member selects one of the pieces of paper and reads it aloud. Third, during that day every member will commit to and then do that behavior. Fourth, at the end of the day, each person will share what they did to put that behavior into action and how that felt. Fifth, at the end of 7 days, each family member will share what their favorite action was and why and what it taught them. And 7th, mix the slips of paper up and repeat every week until your habits become internalized into your children and you. As you may have detected, to derive the greatest value from the 7 habits, everyone in the family needs to participate and commit to the behavior of the day, every day. Frankly, you don't need to have a household full of stay-at-home kids to make this program have value. Whether you use Dr. Mark's 7 Habits of Superbly Raised Children, or Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, or the 13 virtues that Ben Franklin used to train his good habits, or a list that's all your own. While we're stuck in the purple tier, there's probably no better time to ingrain your good habits to last a lifetime.